Costanzo Physiology retains the step-by-step, to-the-point approach that makes this text ideal for coursework and USMLE preparation. The complex ideas are explained in a way that is easy to understand and is accompanied by well-designed figures and tables that show how to do things or how physiologic equations work. This book is the best choice for students who want short, clear explanations and a strong foundation in human physiology. Here we have listed the 5 top features of this book. It offers a comprehensive and consistent overview of core physiologic concepts at the organ system and cellular levels, making complex principles easy to understand. It presents information in a short, simple, and focused manner, the perfect presentation for success in coursework and on exams. It provides step-by-step explanations and easy-to-follow diagrams clearly depicting physiologic principles. It includes high-yield online features such as student facts with thorough explanations, animations, and video tutorials from Dr. Costanzo. It has chapter summaries for quick overviews of important points, boxed clinical physiology cases for a more thorough understanding of the application, and end-of-chapter questions to reinforce understanding and retention. Dr. Costanzo was my physiology instructor many years ago when I was a pre-med student. It was the hardest undergrad course I ever took, but I loved her teaching and personality. She is the best instructor. Simple language, just the essentials without wandering, medical case examples included. I bought this as a reference book for my grandkids. I think this book will be an excellent collection for your study or research purpose. So you should buy this book. To purchase this book, please use the link in the description. And if you want the PDF ebook, check the link in the description. You don't have to pay to download the ebook.